And there it is, the pretty birdie in its wild habitat. As it sits back, and it just sits back on the chair. Okay, get it together, Brittany. This is the wild animal, the beast of the beast. Okay, it has a nose ring, and it has eyeshadow, and it flips you off randomly. Hey, my God, pretty birdie dancing, pretty birdie. What was that? Maybe it was its mating call.
Go to hell.
What? It speaks? When did it start speaking?
When it said go to hell.
This bird's not very friendly, folks. Not very friendly at all.
We should ring the bell.
Maybe this... Oh, it's cleaning itself. There it goes with the itching. Maybe it has fleas. Again with the itching, I think it does.
Go to hell.
As it gets up to use the bathroom, it's a wild habitat. There you've heard it from KJC Live. The animal.